do my daily exercise. So you can't do it 2 times, you have to do it 1 time because of the coronavirus. So this is my first and last exercise.
Of the day, well done.
This is a really nice woods. And when you go into the woods, you have to make sure you look on the ground so you don't step on anything that's like dog poo or like that, because dogs go in the woods too.
They do, well done.
To the nature and explore. I've been here before with my neighbours. That's why I'm showing my mum.
Yeah, you have. I haven't actually been here, have I?
No. And make sure you go into the
I
woods.
can hear some sound. Don't know if you guys can hear this. Can you hear the birds? It's so nice, isn't it, Megan?
Yeah, it's because it's Easter. And sometimes at Easter, in Easter, that was God's birthday, because it presents new life. That's why we celebrate it with Easter eggs. And some birds have babies in Easter, and they always sing. So they are so happy. So that's why they sing so loud in the woods. And you can spot some birds on the way to the ponds. So today we're going to be seeing the 3 ponds.
Okay, which way should we go? Left or right? I think we should try it this way.
Yesterday we went this way. Today we're going to go this way.
Yesterday? You mean the day we tried to go through the walk and we actually didn't?
Yeah.
Right, so let's see what we're going to find this way.
And look out for birds. Guys, I hear the birds. There's a lovely sound. His flowers smell very nice. But can you see a bird?
Oh, the bird sounds really nice. Where is it?
Guys, I can hear one very close by. Through the bushes, through the trees. Did we see any bird yet? They're pine cones. There's pine cone. There's one there. There's one here. Tiptoe quietly. had a woodpecker yet.
What's down there? Let's have a look. What's down there?
There was a log. It looks like a snake. And look. Look.
This is what we need to find. Yeah, look. That's our first finding in the wood. Piece of people are decorating stone. We need to find pebbles like
We
that.
can't take it home.
No, you leave it. So we need to bring one, decorate it, and leave it like other children are decorating. Look what we found! Treasure! Oh wow, that's amazing! Let's see what else we can find.
Let's look for birds at the same time.
Let's see, we might find a bird.
Look on the floor. Look for rocks.
Oh, I found one! That's pretty! Oh, we need to decorate one and come with one. That is so pretty, all the pretty pebble we're finding.
That's decorated stone.
That's another pretty one.
Is there any pretty ones here? There's only normal ones here. Pretty one. What if they put a pretty one on the tree? Whoa. Sorry, my grips don't work that well.
It's okay, you managed to hold yourself. Well done.
Mommy, we could just decorate this one. Everybody. I can hear another animal, like a fox or just Peter Rabbit. Oh, another one. Guys, so people are painting rocks,
Stones, pebbles, yeah.
for people to see. So what I'm going to be doing in a few more days, I'm going to be doing one. So we just have to find a stone and paint it or colour it.
And then you can come and
Then you
leave
can
it somewhere
stand-
so other people can come and find it too.
Yeah, like me, I found plenty little rocks. So guys, what we're going to be doing is, because we have to go across out of this wood, we have to go out of this woods and go there, and then we have to go to the other woods, and then that's how we're going to be seeing.
Oh, there's one. Found one. Found another one. Love.
And I found another one up here. This one is a flower.
Oh, that's so pretty. It looks like a lemon, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
that
it's
is so nice what they're doing with the children.
yeah.
So you get the children to find a pebble or a little rock, decorated, come leave it through the wood,
I think I found one.
to the woods,
I found another one.
and then,
Guys, I found over here.
oh,
So cute.
oh, that's a little bumblebee, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, really well decorated.
Yeah.
So Megan, tell us, why there are stones everywhere?
Because that's, I think that's because for celebrating Easter. I think
No,
that's
I think it's because of the walk that people are doing now through the
yeah.
wood.
They're just,
So they're just trying to make it fun for the children, because of the quarantine, all this COVID-19. So you get your children, your child, to find a rock or a pebble, decorate it, and leave it in the wood with a lovely message of hope, you know, just to encourage the children
To read.
With this difficult moment we're going through of the quarantine. There's another beautiful one. Look, you didn't see this one, Megan. Oh, that's a little. That's a ladybird. Very pretty.
What? That was a frog
Really
one
good
in
out
the
there.
bushes.
That is a really good
There's a
out there.
frog one in the bushes.
Oh, there's another one. That is so pretty.
Mummy,
Let's see.
what? There was a frog one in the bushes.
Stay fab. I love this one. Megan, this one says stay fab. So stay fabulous. That's very cute.
Oh no, that's not one. Let's continue walking.
Let's see what else we can find.
Is there any more stones somewhere? Come on guys, let's see if we can find some more. There's lots of rocks in the woods, so there might be some lots more to find.
There might be. Oh, I can already see some more. Oh, this is so cute.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Come on guys, I can spot some from far. 4. There's one here. And there's one here. And there's one here.
That's
And there's
cute.
one here. Peace. This one says peace.
Oh, it does. That's so nice.
And there's one here. This one says
Happy.
happy. This one says happy.
Oh, let's see if our friends can see on the camera. Happy. Here we go.
Maybe there's one in here. No, that's nothing. Let's continuing having a walk in the woods. I hope you enjoy being with me. I hope you like our nature trail.
Ooh, I can see one from here. I can see one from here. I can already see one from here.
I can see one.
Can you? I spotted this one.
I spotted this one.
Oh, look at that. That is so pretty.
I spotted this one.
Oh,
I spotted this.
it's amazing what the children have done.
I spotted that one.
This one says smile.
Guys, I found one over here. It says
Laugh. I think
Laugh.
that says laugh on it.
and the back of it is all gold.
Is it? Silver, you mean?
Silver.
Oh, yeah. That's cute.
Maybe you can see some in here. I thought there was a stripy one in there, but you can't. Come on. Look at all the beautiful things in nature. Keep your eyes peeled. I can see another rock. And another one. Be happy.
Be happy. What does it say? Be happy. And this one. Is
This
really
one is
nice.
rainbow.
Very pretty colours, aren't they?
Let's look in the bushes too. Remember, keep your eyes peeled. Because we need to look for more beautiful rocks. And guys, look at these flowers. And remember on the start of this video, I said to look for birds. So remember that you make sure you look for them too.
I can hear lots of birds.
But the top in the sky, you can't see it.
Maybe if we're quiet enough, we'll be able to see it. Oh, I hear something through the bushes. Is that a snake? Is that a snake? Can you see something?
That was strange, guys, wasn't it?
What can you see? Oh. Is there any more stones, you think?
I think there's one somewhere, maybe close.
We need to find another one.
Because it
Let's
looks
see if
like
we
the
can find
path
one.
is for...
We need to be very careful. Keep looking so that we don't miss any.
Keep your eyes
And
free.
we're gonna make our stones and bring it as well, okay?
Yeah,
Good.
but we can choose some stones. We can choose some stones. Baby. Guys, can you see any?
And
you can do some other things except with not just walking in the road. Oh! Jump! I got an envelope and then skip. You can do all sorts of things. Can you see any more stones?
I can't see any more. Do you think that's all there is?
We don't know until we finish. You don't think, because if you see something, it might not be right, because you don't know when you finish. That's the Shrek Lake.
Look at this pond, guys.
Yeah.
In the middle of the bush. It's
So
right
now
in the
we've
middle
done
of the
our
wood.
first pond. It's time to do our second and third.
Are you sure there are 3 ponds in this
Yeah, there
wood?
are. I saw them. 1, 2, 3. And guys, there is
I've
a
never
white-
been here.
there is
Megan
the
has
white-
been here.
There is the rain house too. The rain house. You can see it. So now we've done our first pond. It's time to do our second and third.
Which way are we going? Come on, show me
Going
the
up.
way. Let's go, go. Show me the way.
And don't worry guys, Shrek is not real, I think. And guys, I don't think there's any more stones yet. Yeah.
Are you sure there isn't any more? Maybe our friend's seen some that we haven't spotted.
I haven't seen some guys, so
If you have spotted any stone, please let us know on the comment below.
because we haven't seen any yet. subscribe. There's a ridge. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the red button. Guys, if you're confused, we're just going to go in the other woods to see the 2 other ponds. So everything that we've seen in that woods was all nature, and did you see how beautiful that was? So we start from the... So guys, we have to go in... What? It's closed. So you have to go in there, and then we go in that pathway, and then we get into the woods, and then we can just...
Oh, is that where you wanted to go?
No, that's where we're going. It's closed.
Oh, is it? Oh yeah, it's closed. Okay, so we were going to go through the car park and through the woods.
There,
yeah.
And then we're going to walk for half an hour.
And there are other ponds there, Megan said.
2 ponds.
Oh, sorry, it's closed now, baby. Let's go back.
Yeah, but guys, so fortunately, I wanted you to go through there in the woods to see the 3 ponds. But maybe next time, don't forget to subscribe. See you later, bye!
See you again soon. Bye, guys.